Here is Mama Scarlett. She had 4 babies. Oh my goodness, on 15 April. They're over a week old already. And she's such a good mommy, Scarlett. And Ferrari is the daddy. You're a good girl, you're a good mommy. You're a good mommy. Yes. Oh, you're so sweet. Look at her face. Oh. She loves attention. You my good girl, you. Stay with your baby. Stay down. Stay. You're such a good girl. Oh, you're such a good girl. You look at this sweet baby. Stay with your baby. Stay. 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 So we're gonna try again. This is the 3rd try. It's midnight. And I have a bunch of other doggies interfering. This is Scarlett and Ferrari's wild litter. 2 girls, 2 boys, born on 15 April, and today is the 23rd, still the 23rd. Look how she watches me. The firstborn is Red Band, of course, a little girl. And Violator Yushi, Y-U-S-C-H, I, not Y-U-S-H-I. Liver and tan. My goodness. Already 8 days old. Beautiful little liver and tan girl. Then we have Blue Band. He is liver and tan. That's a boy. Oh, he wants to go back. Liver and tan, and Ferrari is the daddy. And he's hungry. Put him back on here. Then we have Green Band, who is a tiny, tiny mouse. He's a tiny teacup. He's gonna be about 4 or 5 pounds when fully grown. He's small, small. Very, very small. Only 7 days old and so tiny. Mommy, let me have this baby. So small. It's midnight and I'm trying to get those pictures in fast. And then we have one black silver girl, Jessica. Oh, by the way, green is YOLO. At Jessica, she's a black and silver girl. Very sweet, little, adorable. I'm disturbing them while they're eating. So I need to get them back up here. Gonna take individual pictures of them. Mommy's chilling out and babies are nursing. It's very difficult to do a video at this time of the night. And I have a bunch of little doggies that want to go out for one last potty call. So this is my sweet mommy. Yeah. You good girl. Yes. You're such a good mommy. Yes.